Hello everyone, welcome in this video. So I bought a vacuum cleaner. It's for car, and I will do unboxing together with you guys. So yeah, first let's open this, open it and see what we got inside. Okay. So this is the vacuum. Okay, you can see it closer. Brushless motor vacuum cleaner, wireless and portable. Get rid of shackles of wired. Withdraw and put convenient storage. Okay, so it's convenient for use in a car. So this looks like a Chinese brand. This is the name of the manufacturer. How long is it? Okay. Okay, never mind. Right now, let's open it. Here the name of the brand. SUITU. Okay. So it got this nice suit. We can put the vacuum in it after finishing. It's very useful if you want to put it in the car. We got in here the filter also. The filter, it's quite small actually. I think this vacuum is very small. And we got this type of brush, cleaning brush to absorb dust. Let's see here. These are different type of vacuum head we can use depending on what we need exactly. Let me put them back. This is the brush, this is the charging cable, and this is the vacuum itself. Okay, looks nice. How it works, but before use, please fully charge and press long 3 seconds to start up, and then press short to switch to middle grade, press short to switch to high grade, finally short to press to wheel power. Okay, let's do it 3 seconds. Okay. Alright guys, this is our video for today. As you can see, it looks very powerful. I think it's 100 watt, almost 12 volt, and yeah, very nice. It has very nice design. I think I will keep it because it looks good and I can store it easily in the car. And yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.